Jaz.
And I'm Ben.
And we are both graduates from Kaplan, Singapore.
We are really excited to be a part of a series of surprise challenges to see who is the better contender.
Hurry, quick, tell us what is it? Alright, so here it is. Each of you are to cook a healthy dish. You are only given $12 to purchase the ingredients for this challenge. So we have a total of 40 minutes to cook the dish, and a chef will be choosing the winning dish. May the best challenger win. Let's go!
this is grapefruit 哦。
OK， 8毛，谢谢。
5块，谢谢。
这1块好不好？而且半 kilo 就好了，因为我们有 budget。
Oh my god, is it buying chicken? Wow, buying chicken 啊
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, done.
Chicken need to wash me?
Yeah, oh, obviously she never cook, right? Hello, this is my chicken.
Where's my chicken?
Oh my god, the egg spilled out. Oh. So Jess, what course did you take when you were in Kaplan?
Tourism and Events Management and Marketing. You?
I took a major in communications, so specifically public relations. Oh, my chili!
Forgot about it!
Yeah!
Oh!
Hey, the oven is not cooking that thing eh!
I'm so happy that your oven is not working. Okay, I'm done. Hi, Tim! Okay, so Tim is a chef and he's gonna try our food.
It's very nerve-wracking though.
Yeah, oh my god.
This one, the flavor is good, but
Okay.
it's normal. This is unique.
Bad.
I would say that the winner is this one.
Oh my god, sorry, I stepped on you.
Well, it's just one challenge, guys.
Props to you lah, really. Yours is really quite unique.
Bye guys, see you in the next challenge.